All right, so guys, let's take a look at this next problem here. This is number 5 out of 3.2. And it says when 14 is reduced by 1/3 of a number, the result is 4. Find the number. Okay, so the first number we're going to write down is 14. Okay, reducing it means we're going to subtract. We're going to subtract 1/3 of a number. So 1/3 of a number would be 1/3 x. And then the result is 4. So that means equals 4. Okay, so when I have a problem like this, I can think of everything here as a fraction. And I can say, okay, what's my common denominator? My common denominator, my least common denominator in this case is going to be the number 3, right? So why don't we just multiply everything here by the number 3, and I'll write it as 3 over 1. We're going to go 1, 2, and 3. So 3 times 14 is going to give me 42. 3 times 1x will give me a 3x. 3 times 4 will give me 12. And then the bottom numbers are getting multiplied by 1, so that stays a 1. This one stays a 3, and this one stays a 1. And so now we can simplify. So 42 divided by 1 is just 42. These 3's here will cancel, so that's just an x. It's equal to 12. Okay. So let me go ahead and go minus 42 and minus 42. So this leaves me with a negative x equals a negative 30. Now remember, the negative x really means that there's a negative 1x. So I'm going to divide both sides by negative 1. And I'm coming up with x is equal to 30. And that's number 5.